I'm just playing around with my hair today. I'm loving it. Good hair day. Anyway, so hi dear Aquarius. Very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal no contact reading for all the Aquarius Sun Moon Venus rising from today till the 31st of March. Roles can be reversed also, and action can be from your side also. Not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono Masterclass link is given below. So let's start, Aquarius. The person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what we have. We have the Sun card, the Queen of Wands, the Page of Wands. Wow, Aquarius. Wow. This is someone who feels very attracted to you, feels like you make them really very, very happy, and they're kind of manifesting a brand new beginning with you. This is somebody, whenever they think about you, whenever they think about the situation between you and them, makes them really very happy. So you are their sunshine, basically, and they feel like creating some kind of reality with you, manifesting some kind of beautiful connection with you, friendship kind of a deal with you, where they can start with the friendship kind of a thing, and then from there they want to take things to the next level. They feel like they should take things from there to the next level, but they feel like there should be a friendship kind of energy back in the situation somehow. Hmm. Wow. So this is making me remind this song. You're my sun, you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy. I don't know. You can just finish the song. Okay, let's see. What this person wants from you, what are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Aquarius? You, my only sunshine, you make me be when my days are dull, something like that. Just give me a second. Okay, let me show you my anklet. This is a silver anklet that I'm wearing. I'm not wearing it for any spiritual reason. I just liked it, so I just took it. I just removed it today to clean it, but I ordered that thing online, but it's not yet here. So I just felt like I should remove it for a day or two. But this is the silver anklet that I'm wearing. Oh, you guys can't see it. Okay, so for like whosoever like follow me on Instagram, you might have seen it in my left leg. Yeah, this is the anklet that I'm wearing. It's very heavy. It's 100 gram, pure silver anklet. My like our like we have a family jeweler and he made it really pretty, really beautiful. It cost me around 15,000 for a pair, 15, 16,000. I don't remember clearly. No, maybe 20, I don't know. But this is the design. This is pretty cool, and not everybody can wear it. It's heavy. Anyway, so this is like you're my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy. Oh, this is what I want to sing the next line also, but I don't remember. My God, let's see what this person wants from you, Aquarius. Wow, wow. We have the Seven of Wands, the Seven of Swords. Oh my God, no. Their intention is exactly the opposite of their feelings. They just want to keep some kind of secret from you. Maybe they are dealing with some other person or other energy also. Very high chances. Two of Pentacles is there, and Seven of Swords. So they just want to lock some kind of secret within themselves and never want to let you know some about something or someone that they are dealing with on an on and off basis. It's not ongoing flow thing. It's something on and off, in and out. Okay. Let's see what actions is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the what we have 31st of March. We have the Ace of Swords, the King of Wands, the Ten of Wands. It's like they're about to call you or text you or something, but at the exact moment when they're about to do it, they're like, nope, bye, nope, goodbye. What? So it's like they are having this urge and this desire, strong urge and strong desire, I don't know why I do that. Strong urge and strong desire to do something in this direction, but when they're about to do it, the exact moment they're about to do it, they're like, nope, too much heavy, too much burdensome energy, I should not do it, maybe later on, goodbye. Okay, so eventually not doing it. For you, the guidance here is the Queen of Pentacles. See, even if there's a lot of chaos going on out, like surrounding you right now, Aquarius, stay in your own power. Sit in your own power, stay humble, stay grounded, stay in this energy of creating your own stability. Okay, honey? Because no matter what's going on outside of you, if your inside is rock solid, nothing or no one can harm you in any way. We are talking about emotions and we are talking about energy, right? Not other things. So, yeah, be your own stability, stay grounded, stay humble, stay in this energy of creating your own stability from inside. Then the outside doesn't matter. So let them do whatever the hell they want to do. Okay, honey. So this is the Lightseer tarot deck that I'm using for these readings today. And if you want to know about my spiritual journey from my childhood till now, you can definitely check out the comment section. You will find the link in that video. It's about Osho meditations, Osho Pune, and my journey as like on my spiritual path from childhood till this point. Looking pretty. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.